Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our new podcast. I hope you're having an amazing day. So, Alex, how are you doing today?
Hey Sam, I'm doing really well today. I'm excited for this episode. What about you?
That's true. I think a lot of people are going to relate to this conversation. Let's be honest, most English learners understand a lot more than they can actually speak. They know words, they know grammar, but when it's time to speak, something changes. Their confidence disappears, and suddenly, even simple sentences feel difficult.
Yeah, that's exactly what happens to me. In my mind, I know what I want to say, but when I try to speak, I get stuck. I start thinking too much, and then I just stop.
And that, thinking too much, is the real problem. Because English is not something you should calculate, it's something you should use.
So confidence doesn't come from knowing more English?
No, confidence comes from using the English you already know. Even if your sentences are simple, even if your grammar is not perfect, you must speak. Because silence never builds confidence, only speaking does.
Okay, but how do I start speaking without fear?
Start small. Don't think about big conversations. Just talk about your daily life in English. When you wake up, say what you are doing. When you eat, describe it. When you walk, think in English.
Even if my English is very simple?
Simple English is still English. Fluency is not about big words. It's about smooth thinking.
So confidence is something I build slowly.
Exactly. Every fluent speaker you see today was once nervous. They were once silent like you, but they continued speaking, even when it was uncomfortable. That's how confidence grows.
I think I finally understand now. I think I finally understand now. I don't need perfect English. I just need to start speaking.
That's right. Fluency doesn't start with knowledge. It starts with courage.
I feel more confident now than before.
Good. Then your journey has already started.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.